How is it going, guys? In this video we will take a look at Eduard's revised 1/48 scale Messerschmitt Bf-109 G6 late version. Along with the box content, I will conduct a tape together test to see how this model fits together. To see this, watch until the end of the video. The kit comprises of 186 parts in grey plastic, parts in clear, 1 colored photo-etched thread, self-adhesive canopy masks and markings for 5 aircraft. About 60 of the parts are left unused, and there are a few parts which are optional, so the actual number of the parts is much smaller. The detail the kit provides for the cockpit is astounding, even without the photo etch parts, and things get even better given the fact that the majority of the thread goes in the office. The fuselage is full length, with the only inserts being the gun cowl deck and the top of the tail. The wings are made of 2 upper parts and 1 lower part for the entire wingspan. The surface detail is very good, and the rivet lines are crisp and subtle, and look very accurate as well. The small scoops on the nose are hollowed out, which I find impressive. The wheel wells are nicely detailed and are properly concave due to the humps molded on the top of the wings. Eduard renders the wheel well sidewalls with the zippered canvas covers. The fabric texture looks okay, and the zipper is depicted by a raised line. There is an optional third gun cowl bulge with a small compressor bump that was present on all early built G5s, G6s and G14s. The exhaust stacks are nicely detailed with centerline weld beads and hollowed ends. The rims and the tires are separate parts, and here are a few options as well. They look nice for injection molded items, but the tires are not weighted. All control surfaces are separate parts, including leading edge slots, ailerons, flaps, elevators and rudder. The fabric interpretation is nice, with strip and stitching texture beautifully presented on the control surfaces. Under magnification are visible the zigzag pinking edges on the fabric strip. The propeller blades look to be in a good shape, with nice peach color and a hub detail. The clarity and lack of distortion of the clear parts is above and beyond 99% of what is available on the market. The clear fuel pipe is a really clever idea. There are two deco sheets, one for the markings and one for the service stencils. The overall quality of the decals is very good and it is on par with the cartographer decals. Furthermore, even the smallest font on the stencils is actually readable, although under some magnification of course. Before we move on to the tape together test, let's see some random details. If you like my videos, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get notified when I publish new content. The 5 main parts of the airframe fit neatly with just a few pieces of tape. Everything lines up nicely and there should not be any issues with gaps or steps. The V-shaped connection between the bottom rear center of the wing and the fuselage do not represent real panel line, so it can just be filled without the necessity of rescribing it later. Thanks for watching. Until next time, best regards and happy modeling.